everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with a new video. And I'm going to be really honest with you guys. I've been in quite a funk lately. I haven't been feeling very good mentally. And I don't want anybody to worry about me. I'm just fine. I'm just fine. Just something I go through sometimes, you know? And when that happens, I don't take care of myself physically. And that includes my hair. So my hair gets like this when I'm eating really poorly. Also when the weather starts to change, which it has been doing in New York. So yeah, it's time for me to detox this scalp. I do have the new Loc Detox clarifying shampoo, which I really do love. Personally, I'll use a clarifying shampoo and then in 2 weeks I'll use a moisturizing shampoo and I'll keep alternating, and every now and then I'll use conditioner afterwards. So if you only shampoo your hair once a month, once every 2 months, then I do recommend that you use a clarifying shampoo every wash, but also use a moisturizing shampoo as a follow-up. Consider that your scalp is still skin. Skin sheds, it sweats, it secretes oils, it could get funky. Our hair touches surfaces, it gathers smells. Our hair should be washed on a very regular basis, guys. So as you can see, it did a really good job clarifying the scalp. My scalp was hollering for some support, some TLC. And the shampoo came through. So I'm really glad that at least my hair is clean now. I wasn't feeling up enough to go for a retwist, but that's okay. Next time, you know, this time of year is not my favorite. So that's just something I deal with personally. I know I'm not alone. Definitely check out the Loc Detox Clarifying Shampoo at KeishaCharmaine.com. And for a limited time, you can get the whole line of Light Locs products. The diamond package, 20% off. You have to hurry though, because this sale won't last long. It's a flash sale, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locs.